If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, today I have checked into the mango garden at CBD Belapur, and today's aim is to get some macro subjects with my macro lens. So let's get started. How to reach here? I came here directly by road or by train. You can disembark at Belapur station and reach the garden by an auto. It takes around 6 to 7 minutes, or a long walk for 15 minutes. Here I am using my Nikon D5300 with Nikon 105mm macro lens with a beetle diffuser. Settings, I will use the manual mode. Aperture can be around f14, f16. ISO can be between 200 400. Shutter speed, I will keep it at the maximum 1/200. That is allowed to me when I attach a flash, and the flash will be on manual mode. Depending on the light, I kept it at 1/4, but if your light conditions change, you may need to keep flash value to that extent. So guys, I had a lot of fun today at the mango garden, and I took so many pictures, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photo walk vlog. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.